Let me do the first example from RT2 Lesson 4 for you. I need to find the area of the triangle, and I know the formula is area equals 1/2 base times height, where the base and the height of the triangle are perpendicular. Now it just so happens that I have two segments, the purple and the blue, that are perpendicular, so I know if I find this length and multiply it by that length and then divide by 2, I will have that area. This happens to be an isosceles right triangle, which means that I can find x, the leg, because I know that the hypotenuse is equal to the leg times the square root of 2. Let me fill in the 12 for the hypotenuse. I now see that if I divide both sides by the square root of 2, this will give me the answer to x. Of course, I don't want the math police coming for me, so I will multiply this fraction by the square root of 2 over the square root of 2, because that gets rid of that irrational on the bottom. Now I have square root 4 on the bottom, which becomes the number 2. It's rational. On the top, I still have 12 square root 2. But now I can simplify. 2 goes into 2 once, 2 goes into 12 6 times, and I can see that x is 6 square root 2. And it just so happens that this x is 6 square root 2. So going back to my formula, I know a will equal 1/2 6 square root 2 times 6 square root 2. Multiply your whole numbers. 6 times 6 is 36, times 1/2 will give me that 18. There's my real number, my rational part. I now can multiply my irrational. Square root 2 times square root 2 is square root 4, which simplifies to 2. When I'm all done, I find out that the area of that triangle is 36 centimeters square.